SDI have a series of one-day workshops, and these have come from feedback from service desk managers mostly, where they've attended the service desk management course and told us that they want to delve into the subjects in much more detail. So to complement that, we've developed some single topic one-day workshops.
Well, our one-day workshops are focused on single topics. The idea behind them is to give practical and pragmatic guidance and advice to the delegates. What we're looking for is the delegates to bring along specific challenges that they can face and are facing, with the idea being that we can talk through how to give them some guidance, some ideas to turn those challenges into wins, but also from a networking point of view to learn from what others have done during the workshop.
This one came out of two sources of feedback. In the Service Desk Certification Programme, there is one whole concept on management information and performance results, and it consistently scores the lowest, and it's the one that everybody struggles with. Managers coming out of the Service Desk Managers course were also telling us they don't really understand what it is they should be measuring, but their business is asking them to define those measures. Managers were also saying, how do we know how our customers feel? What should we be doing to get that information? So we designed this one-day workshop where you can come along and you can just think about your customer experience. We look at defining what your customer experience should be, what activities are going to support it, what you do with the feedback, and how it can drive service improvement.
We look at roles, we look at data, we look at technology, we look at the strategy behind it, everything you need to get going with problem management or to improve on your current implementation. Well, the ITIL 4 course is really designed for any role within an IT organisation, be it a service desk analyst, through to service delivery managers, even to chief information officers. It's really designed to make sure that organisations have an understanding of best practice in a framework environment. It understands the concept of value, what value means to you as an organisation and to your business and to your customer. It understands the inputs to value, how you can work as an IT organisation within what we call a service value system, so a single approach with many components. And really, I think whilst it is primarily designed to IT organisations, it also has an application, I think, in the wider view of any service provider. We can either offer it in-house, so direct to your organisation. We have a public schedule, so you get the opportunity to network and learn from other people within your industry. And there's also the virtual, delivered with a dedicated learning platform. Well, we're really keen that the delegates take away some physical collateral that can help them on their road to service improvement, be they case studies, templates, other types of documentation that will enable them to do something practical with the advice that they've learned during the day.